What's up guys, Junior here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and today it's like 50 degrees, so we're outside, it's summer baby. We got a 2012 Ram 3500 Mega Cab on some 20x12s and 35s with a 6-inch suspension lift. Let's go check it out.
Custom Offsets team stands the team on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right guys, so this is Jacob Strange's truck. He kind of runs our gallery around these parts. So this thing is giant. It's basically a huge apartment on wheels, but let's get into the wheel and tire package first. So he's on fuel runners, chrome obviously, 20x12s with a -44 offset. Oh no, this is all I got today. So there's basically an endless lip here between the spokes. If you look in front of them, a bill is 6 inches, keep in mind. You have about 4 inches there on the lip itself, but between the spokes, I mean, you can go as far back as here and you've pretty much got a 7-inch lip on your 12 wides, which is enormous. He's got the chrome spec lug nuts as well, and he's got those paired with the Gladiator X comps in a 35 12.5 R22. So 22 12s, 35 12.5s. I think I called them 20x12s. They're not 20x12s. So then with the trimming, you can see that in the front here, he just has the front valence kind of shaved down to allow for just full turn radius. Nothing really in the back here, it looks like. These Rams obviously have circular wheel wells instead of squares, so it makes it a lot easier to fit circular wheels and tires. Got rock lights on here as well. He's got that paired with a 6-inch Tough Country lift kit. Now, if you kind of look in here, it's a little rough. He bought this truck this way about 6 months ago, basically before all the crazy price that everything is right now. He's actually got a full build series plan to completely revamp this thing. New wheel and tire package, new suspension setup, maybe touch up some accessories and stuff like that. But we're here to show you it as it is now, as he pretty much bought it from the dealership, threw some new wheels and tires on, and he's only going up from here. So looking at the front, he's got Morimoto heads as well. Got the chrome front bumper, got the factory grille as well. I do like what Dodge did with these hoods. It's got like a bump up here with some like fake louvered side divot things, but it looks pretty good, pretty aggressive on these trucks. He's got the tow mirrors out because it's a big moose. He's got amp steps as well, as you guys can see. So this thing, like I said, he basically bought as was. So his amp steps are perma down, which I guess is better than perma up because you can still at least use them this way, but it is what it is. All right, so being a mega cab, this thing has got all the room in the world. And I mean, it's all there. Like you can comfortably fit like 3 whole ass adults in the back seat here with no issue. Got the black leather interior as well. You can see because it's a Laramie, it's got some of the fancy stitching and stuff like that. It's yelling at me, I don't know why. As you can see with the interior, black leather, got the brown accents as well. Got it above the radio and on the sides here. Pretty clean, simple interior on these things, which I think is good. Ram has kind of upgraded their interiors recently to being better than the 3rd gens were, so that's a good thing. I'm taking the keys out before I lock them in here. And then as you guys can see, if you kind of come back here and look down the side of this thing, he does have the Bushwhacker fender flares, which with your 12 wides with the fender flares, you pretty much have like, I'd say maybe an inch sticking out versus typically you probably have about almost half the tire. You'd probably be about right here, but the fender flares obviously kind of come out a little bit and cover that. He's also, I don't even know if he knew that, but he's got helper bags in the rear as well. I don't know if he uses those or not. And then Morimoto tails as well. And then he does tow with this thing. He's gone to Gatlinburg a couple times for truck shows. He's got the Gen Y giant drop hitch as well to go with all that. And then a 5-inch exit MBRP exhaust tip. And if you look at the stickers, he's obviously got the custom offset sticker he's rocking on the back glass here. All right, so that's what we got for you guys on this 2012 4th gen Ram 3500 Cummins, obviously. 6-inch lift, 22 12s, 35s. Got some accessories. Obviously, he's looking to go bigger and better. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned, subscribe, youtube.com/CustomOffsetsTV. Peace.